Okay, Debbie, just to further assist in gathering information, I'm just showing you the new baseboard unit that had to be reinstalled. Uh, they disconnected the old one from here, and it was along this pipe here in the old unit that they found evidence of freezing. I asked the plumber to send me a write-up accordingly, and now I'm giving you a point of view from the house because I did mention that the this piping system here is above the garage, so I just want to show you that way you have it. So here's the point of view from the house. Okay, I'm gonna go outside. Going outside to the garage. All right, should have just paused the video, but what the heck. All right, okay, and this is the window that I was looking out from, and this is the garage. Oh, okay, 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 and in here, I'm not gonna go near that, but in here is where the that nice brand new color. Okay, so that pipe, and if you look here, you can see other new piping, right? And this is directly above. I'm sorry. This what you're looking at now is directly below the new baseboard that was just installed. And so apparently it got cold enough in here to cause a problem with the old system. That's never given us a problem before. And over here on the floor is the old piping. Okay. Okay. And now, when they did the initial repairs and they turned on the system, well, I don't have video, but there was water shooting out from little holes in this piping, right? And so that's what we're looking at here. All right. And that's it.